In this video, we're going to tackle about how to renew US visa by using Dropbox. But please note that using the interview waiver service does not guarantee visa issuance. In some cases, you may be required to appear for a visa interview at the US Embassy, and if you submit an incomplete and inaccurate application, if you do not meet the criteria listed above, we will return your application by the courier and you will be asked to schedule an interview. Like sa akin, nangyari sa akin, nagkaroon akong schedule for interview because mali ang picture na nabigay ko. Ang picture na nabigay ko ay may shadow sa likod. And then yung second na picture na nabigay ko naman, naka-hide ang aking ears. So, hindi siya naka-show. Flat na flat ang tenga ko. So, dinecide nila, binigyan nila ako ng notice na come here at the US Embassy at consular office for interview. The eligibility criteria for interview waiver applicants, I have previous B1, B2 visa that I wish to renew. My visa was issued after July 1st of 2007. My prior visa was valid for at least 5 years. My prior B1, B2 visa is still valid or expired within the last 12 months. I am a citizen of the Philippines. My prior visa does not say clearance receipt or travel with employer. I have my passport with my B1, B2 visa in my possession. My name, date of birth, and gender on my last B1, B2 visa do not need to be changed or corrected. My most recent visa was issued on or after my 14th birthday. The last time I applied for B1, B2 visa, it was approved. Okay, step 1, magbabayad muna kayo ng $160, which is 8,640 pesos, equivalent to 54 pesos per dollar sa BPI. And then, ikikip nyo yung customer copy. Meron yung receipt number sa, ayan, ito, may receipt number siya sa corner, sa right corner, ito. And then, ito, nag-try ako ngayon, January 22. Ayan yung makikita yung receipt number. And then, after nyo magbayad, mag-fill up na kayo ng DS-160 form. Make sure tama ang mga sagot nyo doon. I mean, yung hindi kayo magkakamali sa spelling ng pangalan nyo, sa date, sa kung ano-ano man. And then, after nyo mag-fill up ng DS-160, yung step 3, ito yung tatandaan nyo, yung email login nyo, password nyo, security and question and answer. Para kapag hindi nyo natapos within 30 minutes, pwede nyo balikan. Isi-save nyo lang. Automatic save naman siya. Parang ganon. Anyway, after nyo mag-fill up nyan, ito yung lalabas pag click nyo yung DS-160 form link. Ito. Merong start application. Ito. Mag-click nyo yan. Ayan, start application, upload application. Yung i-upload nyo yung picture nyo. Mamaya, yung 2x2 picture. And then, make sure on white background yon, kita yung tenga, yung ears nyo, mas shown. At yung, may mga requirements sila sa mga picture. So, just check it out na lang. Nandito. And then, yung CGI, yung step 3, ito yung lalabas na link. Pag kinilik nyo yun, CGI step 3, CGI Federal. Ito yung tatandaan nyo yung email nyo, yung password nyo. And then, of course, ayan, prepare nyo yung old passport and new passport. And then, itong confirmation letter. At yung 2x2 picture at interview waiver. Confirmation letter. Itong baling 5 na to, yung passport, old passport and new passport, waiver letter, confirmation letter, and then yung picture, isi-send nyo yan sa to-go outlet na malapit sa inyo. And then, just wait for dun sa website. Pwede nyo i-check yung status. I will put down below the link how to check their status. Kung approved na ba siya, administrative process pa. So, ito yung mga timeline ko. So, thank you and God bless.